Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn some common Unix commands. So first one we have WC. WC stands for word count. So beside being a command, WC is also a filter command which is used to filter out our file. So we have three variations in WC. First one is WCL. It is used to print the total number of lines which is in a file. Second one is WC minus W. It is used to print the total number of words in our file. Third one is WC minus C. WC minus C is used to print the total number of characters in our file which we have print through the WC command. Second one is PWD. It is used to tell the present directory in which we are working. After it we have LS. LS is used for listing directories. It comes up with three variations. First one is ls minus l. It is used to print the long listing version of our directories which will contain the file name, permissions, creation and modification details and the disk space or other details related to our directories. Second one is ls minus a. Suppose we have some hidden files in our directories and we want to see them. For that we are going to use ls minus a. After it we have ls minus r, which is used for recursively listing the directories. After it we have two more filters which are head and tail. So head by default displays the first 10 lines of a file, and suppose we want to display the first 5 lines, we will write like this. Head minus n5. It will display the first 5 lines of a file, and for its counterpart we have tail. By default it prints last 10 lines and suppose we want to print last 5 lines, so we are going to write here tail minus n5. 5 we have taken here for example. We can take any number with the number of lines we want to print from the last. So here we completed some common Unix command. Next up we have the VI editor modes which we'll be seeing later. So here we are some basic Unix command related to the directories. First one we have rmdir. It itself says remove directory. It is used to remove a directory. So how we are going to use it? We will write rmdir and followed by directory name which we want to delete. Its counterpart says mkdir, which itself says that making directory. How we are going to use is mkdir and the directory name which we are going to create. And we have other variations of cd. cd stands for changing directory. First one we have cd dot dot. It moves one directory up in the hierarchy, and the last one cd tilt navigates to a home directory. Suppose if we are present in the directory other than the home directory, cd tilt will navigate to the home directory. Thank you. So here we are with the VI editors modes. First one we have normal mode. Suppose if we open the VI editor, it by default opens in the normal mode. So it is default mode for navigation and commanding purpose. Second one we have insert mode. It is used for writing the codes obviously, and let's see the navigation from normal mode to insert mode. For navigation from normal mode to insert mode, we have to press lowercase I, A and O characters from the keyboard. I, we have small I character puts up writes the cursor before the appending line. Small a after the cursor, and O from the next line. Third mode we have command mode. It is used to do all the operations related to our file, such as W saves the file, Q quits the editor, WQ saves and quits the editor. And suppose we want to quit the editor without saving the file. For that we will use exclamation Q. It will save the editor, it will quit the editor without saving our file. And here we have some bonus commands. dd deletes the current line, yy copies the current line, and p pastes the copied line into the current line in which our cursor is present.